Hi guys, so in today's video we will learn about the use callback. In previous video we have seen the problem that have been solved by the memo. So these are used for improving the performance of the application. In previous video, if you remember, then what we have seen that on the click of increase, the components is getting rendered, and we solve it through the using memo hook, right? So when we click on this, then this component is getting re-rendered, and this problem will be solved using use memo. Let me go to the code and then again explain you. So we have this structure from the previous code, if you remember it. We have a memo and we are passing a component inside it, right? And then in the code we have a button to increment the counter. Similar setup is done in this problem also. So where we use callback is used inside a component to minimize to reduce the call of the function, and it is cached inside the memory. So the syntax of using use callback is that we will pass a function and then a value on which it on which this function will be called again. Otherwise the whole component get this function get called again and again. So to solve this problem we use callback. So let's see the example and understand it better. बाकी मैं डॉक्यूमेंट कर दूंगा इस चीज़ को. Let me reload this. So when we increment the counter, the component is getting re-render. Okay, so when I'm clicking button, the component is getting re-render, right? Because the count value, because this callback depend on the count values, right? So it is getting called again when we click on the increment other counter. So it does not depend on it, so it will not re-render it, right? See, it is not re-rendering it. But when we click on the compute, so compute is what? Compute is taking the value of this callback and passing into that function. So again it will re-render it, right? Let me click it. So they see we render component increment counter will increment the counter, again we will compute, it will re-render, again we will click, it will re-render. So every time it will re-render. So callback is used when we want to cache the value of the function, and memo is used for the for the for optimizing the components re-rendering, and it is done outside of a component, right? So this is the basic difference about memo and callback. For more query I will put into the readme. You can go to GitHub and check. Thank you.